way today. So thought I'd do a quick video. You can see I've been a long winter, so I'm cleaning up the boat lift, getting some of the green slime from the lake off, cobwebs, dirt, things like that. It's kind of like the clean side. I haven't done that side over there. And then down in there, the water line. I'm trying to get some of that green slime off too. So, good video. So, got a Craftsman pressure washer out here working on. Beautiful day on the lake. Take care, everybody.